So guys, finally very important updates regarding the JEE Advanced 2022 is coming. Now JEE Advanced 2022 result declare. So those students who are eagerly waiting for the JEE Advanced 2022, really a very good news coming from the IIT Bombay. Okay. So JEE Advanced 2022 result declare. You can now check out from their official website. In this video, I will show you the complete detail that how can you check the cutoff, how can you check the all the details, okay, category wise cutoff, and how to check the result, download the rank card. So make sure to buy the video completely. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to support my channel for providing such important updates. So as you know that many of the students, and especially more than 250,000 students, are eagerly waiting for the JEE Advanced 2022 result, that when it will announce. So finally JEE Advanced result has been declared to their official website, so you can check out now. Okay, so what are the base? Okay, so as you know that this year IIT Bombay is conducting the JEE Advanced, and this was the head with collaboration with various IIC Bengaluru and other IITs just such as IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur and IIT Guwahati, other things. So how can you check the result? So just you have to visit the official website, that is the jeeadvanced.nic.in, means jeeadv.ac.in. I will provide the link in the description. You can check out from there now, okay, directly. Then click on JEE Advanced 2022 result link and new page will be open, and just click on the login details and give your all the credential, either password and all things, captcha, and fill out that. Your result will be displayed on the screen and you will able to see the JEE Advanced 2020 result, how much marks you get, what is the category wise cutoff, what is the other things that you should note it, okay, and check the result and download the page. Make sure to download the page and all things, okay. So guys, keep a hard copy of the same for further need, because this will really helpful for you in the further in getting the admission to IITs, NITs or any other college, okay. So make sure to do all these formalities very carefully. So guys, again very important updates. I hope this video will really helpful for you, or don't forget to comment here that what is your rank and how much, what is your result. If your result is good, then congratulations and have a great future by from the proud to Indian family. And if your result is not much more good, then don't need to be worried about that, don't need to be afraid. There is a next chance you will get, okay, no need to worry about that. Chance भाई बहुत मिलेगा, नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं, अगले बार हम फोड़ेंगे. That's all things. So again, congratulations to all the JEE Advanced ranker and all the candidates who have given the exam and successfully succeeded the exam. Have a great future in the coming day. So guys, this is all the important video about that. I hope video really informative to you. अगर informative लगा तो don't forget to support my channel for providing such informative video. I have already made the top 10 IITs rank versus category rank, okay, and what are the top 10 NITs. I have given the all detail, okay, so you can check out from there in my playlist. I will also provide link in the description too. You can also get the idea about the top NITs, top IITs cutoff and all the fee structure in my video. So make sure to watch all the video, that will really helpful for you. So finally guys, this is all the important updates. If you like the video, then don't forget to support my channel for providing such important information. Till then, bye bye, meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.